The next concept is, after knowing rules to finding significant figures, the next concept is rules for limiting the result to the required number. Rules for limiting the result to required number of significant figure. So now observe, they will give a number to number we are round upping. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. Limiting is nothing but we are putting some limit to the given number, that is given significant number, by applying these rules. That is called rules for limiting the result to the required number of a significant figure. Here there is some rules. Now observe the first one. If the rightmost digit is to be removed, if the rightmost digit is to be removed, is more than 5. If the rightmost digit is to be removed is more than 5 by increasing the preceding number, or the preceding number is increased by 1. Remove 5, the preceding number is increased by 1. Increased by 1. This is the first rule. Observe what it says. The rightmost digit is to be removed is more than 5. The preceding number is increased by 1 or raised by 1. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 5 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ 1 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ rule. Now observe, for example, if I write in 3.2647 like that, this is the number, means given significant number. For this number we are applying the rule to make limit. ಇದನ್ನ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ observe here, the rightmost digit is to be removed. To remove this rightmost digit, if it is more than 5, ಇದೇನಾದ್ರೂ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, more than 5, the preceding number is nothing but previous number is increased by 1. It may be increased by 1. So observe, this can be written, to remove 7, this can be written like 3.26 increased by 1. We have increased one number. After increasing one number, 4 becomes 5. Then remove 7. This can be written like that. Okay. Now observe one more example. 1.3256. If there is a number like that. Now here the rightmost number is more than 5. This is applicable only for the rightmost number is more than 5. To remove this one, the previous number, that is preceding number, should be increased by 1. Therefore it can be written as how? That is remove 6 and putting 1 to the 5, means by adding one number to the 5. That is 1.325 becomes what? 6. Then remove 6. This is the rule 1. Then second one. If the rightmost digit is to be removed is less than 5, then the preceding number is not changes. This is the rule 2. That is, if the rightmost digit is to be less than 5, less than 5, less than 5, then no change in the proceeding number. To remove the rightmost number, that is the rightmost digit is to be removed if it is less than 5. So observe here, the rightmost digit is to be removed. The rightmost digit is to be removed is less than 5. Less than 5. Then the proceeding number is no change. Proceeding number is no change. For example, observe. Take the number 3.264. Take this much. 3.264. Example we are taking. Now observe, the rightmost number is less than 5. Here the rightmost number is what? 4. 4. It is less than 5. Less than 5. Therefore, to remove this one, there is no change in this proceeding number. Previous number no change. Therefore, it can be written as it can be written as right as 3.26. 3.26. So similarly observe one more example. 5.32. 5.32. Now how it can be right? Here the last digit is less than 5. Therefore, to remove this one, there is no change in previous number. That is, it can be written as 5.3 only. This is the rule 2. Then rule 3. If the rightmost digit is to be 5, rightmost digit is to be 5, then no need to remove the proceeding number. So that is the rule 5. If rightmost digit is to be 5, then no change in proceeding number. No change in proceeding number. However, if the proceeding number is even, no change. If it is hard number, then increase by 1. Then the proceeding number is increased by 1. The proceeding number is increased by 1. This is the rule 3. So observe rule 3 says that if the rightmost digit is to be 5, then no change in the proceeding number. However, if the proceeding number is even, no change, but if it is hard, then the proceeding number should be increased by 1. Increase 1 increase ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So observe example. So observe, if you take a number like 5.32, we are taking a number like that, 5.32. Now here the most last digit is to be 5. Take 5. This is the last digit, 5.325. The rightmost digit is to be 5. The rightmost digit is to be 5. Then no change in the proceeding number. In this number there is no change. However, if the proceeding number is even, this is even, no change. If it is hard, it should be increased by 1. ಇದೇನಾದರೂ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು here the proceeding number is what, even. Even ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು even number. Now if it is hard number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you should be hard 1. Now for example observe, this is example 1. So it can be written as what, 5.325. Now if example take, if 5.335, if this number is like that, now this proceeding number, the last most number is 5, but the proceeding number is what, hard number. So if it is a hard number, therefore we increase by 1, that is 5.34. This can be increased by 1. This can be written like that, and this can be written like that by removing 5. You can also remove 5 and write like that. These are the rules to limiting the sum required significant figure. The next concept is addition, subtraction and multiplication and division of significant figures. So already you learned addition, multiplication and subtraction, then division of some significant numbers if the numbers is given in 10 powers, that is multiples. Similarly here we are studying addition, subtraction and multiplication and division of some significant figures. Here the result cannot have more digits to the right of the decimal number point if either it will be virginal, So observe here, for example I am taking example for addition. For addition we are taking example 12.11. This is the one number which is added to the 18.0. Now add these two numbers. What you get? Example we are taking addition of two significant values. We are taking 12.11 and 18.0. Now after adding these two, how much you get? 1 and 0 here, there is 1, and 1 and 0 again 1. Then 2 plus 8 or 2 plus 8, that is 10, 0, take 1, right, that is 1 and 1, 3. So you get 30.11, right, 11, yes, right, 30.11. Now after adding these two numbers you get 3011, that is 30.11. Now observe here, in the given significant figures, in these two, the minimum number that having after the decimal is only 1 digit. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದೋ any one of the number in the given numbers after the decimal there is only 1 digit. Therefore the resultant number after adding you get a number that is called resultant number. This resultant number must be having same digits after the decimal. Therefore it can be written as 30.1, like that. It can be written as 30.1. So this is the significant figure of addition of two significant numbers. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 30.1 ಅಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So observe again, this can also be written like observe here, the after the decimal there is a two numbers. Among these two the last digit is to be less than 5, right? So the proceeding number doesn't change according to rule 2 ಪ್ರಕಾರ the last digit is less than 5, then the proceeding number is not changed, means no change. Therefore we are writing like that. Now similarly take one more example. Similarly 12.11 and 18.0, and the one more number is added to this, that is 1.01. One more number is added, that is 1.012. Now add these numbers 2, 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 1, 2, then 1, 0, 0, that is again 1.281, 10, 1, 11 and again 31. Okay, 31.22. Here the given number after the digit containing only one decimal. Therefore, the given number also, sorry, the resultant value also containing only one number after the decimal. Hence, it can be written as 31.1. ತರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಅಥವಾ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ significant figures, adding and writing. Then for take subtraction. Similarly, for take example for subtraction. Now write 18.02 and we are subtracting 17.1 or 17.01. Take simple one. Now subtract these two. What you get? 2 minus 1, 1 and 0 minus 0 you get 0. Point. Then 8 minus 7, 1 and 0 minus 0, sorry 1 minus 1, 0. So you get this one place. So now observe here, the given two numbers, significant numbers is containing 2 digits after the decimal. Therefore, the resultant one also contain 2 digits. Therefore, no change here, no change. This can be written same as it is. Now take one more. This is a subtraction. Now take one more. Write 20.0 which is subtracted by 3.21. Now subtract. Or take 20.02 and it is subtracted by 3.21. Now observe here. To subtract this one, here there is no any number, so we are writing 0. 2 minus 0, 2 only. And here there is one take here. After taking one number from 20, here becomes 10. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1, you get 9. Then again here there is a 9. 9 minus 2 gets 7. Then there is a point, put point. After losing one number from 20 there is 19. 19 minus 3. 19 minus 3 you get 16. That is 16.792. Now observe here, the given number is containing only 2 digits after the decimal. Therefore it can be written like that. That is 16.79 only. 16.79. Okay, this is the addition and subtraction of significant figures. Similarly, take multiplication.